Welcome to Serenity Mastery, where we explore simple yet powerful tools to cultivate calm and elevate your mindset. Today, I'm going to guide you through 5 mindful moments that can help you reset your day, even if you're short on time. Each of these practices takes just a minute, but they have the power to transform your mindset and bring you back to the present moment. Whether you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or just in need of a mental refresh, these exercises are here to help. So, let's dive into your 5 mindful moments. Feel free to pause the video momentarily after each one to truly take it in. Let's start with a 1-minute deep breathing reset. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or standing, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, letting your belly expand, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. As you breathe in, imagine filling your body with calm and peace. And as you breathe out, let go of any tension or worries. Let's do this together for the next 60 seconds. Inhale deeply, exhale fully. With every breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded in the present moment. As you continue breathing, notice how each inhale brings a sense of renewal, and each exhale releases what no longer serves you. Continue this until the minute is up, and slowly open your eyes when you're ready. Next, we'll do a simple body scan to help ground you in your physical space. This is perfect if you're feeling disconnected or restless. Close your eyes again, and take a deep breath. Start by bringing your attention to your feet. Feel them planted firmly on the ground. Notice any sensations in your feet: warmth, coolness, pressure. Now, slowly move your awareness up to your legs. How do they feel? Are they heavy, light, or tense? Don't judge what you feel, just observe. Continue this scan, moving your awareness slowly up to your hips, your stomach, and your chest. Breathe as you notice any sensations here. Move up to your shoulders, your arms, your hands. Finally, bring your focus to your neck, your jaw, and your face. When the minute is up, take one more deep breath, and open your eyes. You should feel a bit more connected to your body and grounded in the present. Now, let's take a moment to cultivate gratitude. For the next minute, I invite you to bring to mind one thing you're truly grateful for. It could be a person, an experience, or even something simple like the breath you're taking right now. As you think of this, really feel the gratitude in your heart. Imagine this gratitude filling your entire body with warmth and light. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to this feeling of thankfulness. When we practice gratitude, we are training our minds to focus on what's good, rather than dwelling on the negative. So take this next minute to really sink into that feeling. Next, let's move into a powerful 1-minute visualization. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Now, picture yourself in a place where you feel completely at peace. It could be somewhere in nature, a quiet room, or even a cozy chair with a book. Imagine every detail of this place: the colors, the sounds, the smells. Really immerse yourself in this scene. As you visualize, let this peaceful environment wash over you, calming your mind and your body. For the next minute, allow yourself to fully experience this place. Let the peace and tranquility of this space reset your energy and give you the clarity you need to move forward in your day. For our final mindful moment, we are going to set an intention for the rest of your day. Close your eyes once again, and take a deep breath. Ask yourself, what do I want to focus on or embody today? Maybe it's calm, gratitude, focus, or patience. Whatever comes to mind, take a moment to really feel it. Visualize yourself carrying this intention with you throughout the day. Imagine how you'll respond to challenges with this mindset. Feel yourself embodying this intention, and notice how it changes your energy. Take one more deep breath, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. You've now set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me for these 5 mindful moments. Remember, you can come back to any of these practices whenever you need a quick reset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little extra calm in their life today. Until next time, stay serene.